How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So you need to first of all check where Telegram sends the code. If you are already logged in on another device, Telegram might send the code there instead of your messaging app. You need to make sure to check those devices. If you don't have access to them, tap didn't get the code, and after that you need to request the code via SMS. If this step didn't work for you, you simply need to try another method. You simply need to head towards Play Store or App Store and use search icon. Search for Telegram X app. This app often allows receiving the code via your phone number even if the main app doesn't. If this also didn't work for you, you simply need to exit the application and tap and hold Telegram icon. And tap on App Info section. You simply need to land on this App Info section and tap Storage Users. Now tap Clear Cache and Data. And once you have done that, you simply need to open Play Store again. And you need to check if Telegram has an update. Search for Telegram. And if there is update button, tap on it to update it to the latest version. Sometimes outdated version of application might create this kind of issues on Telegram. So this step should help you resolve the issue. If it worked for you, please like this video and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.